Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. Today, we're going to show you how to replace an alternator. First thing you do, remove the negative battery terminal. We're going to go ahead and pull the positive. Now we're just going to pull the battery out. So this alternator is held in with 2 bolts here and all the way down here. First, we're going to remove this lower bolt. That is actually the tension bolt. Then pull this lower bolt. You want to save this hardware. Then loosen this upper bolt. We're going to go ahead and remove the belt. We're going to go ahead and change all of the belts on this car. If you'll notice, the interior valley is cracked and all along the edges is cracked. If you just looked at the outside, you would think it would probably be okay. You flip it over, you see how weather cracked it is. This is just waiting to pop. Now we can pull the alternator up into the engine bay. You're going to want to take a picture of each one of these positions and make a note so that they go back in the same place. Modern alternators use a simple plug that takes care of all of this and the regulators inside the alternator itself. So this is your main battery post right here. That correlates to this on the new alternator. Now all of this stuff is labeled. I'm going to start with the battery cable. We know which one that goes, so I'm going to get that one out of the way. We're actually going to put that one on last. Take this wire off. Get all these wires lifted off. Now we will simply lift this up. I'm just going to pull this out of the way, move the new alternator back in place, and drop all of the wires back on in position. Now this is ready to go back on the car. So first we're going to lower this in place, take the pivot bolt, slide it through the bracket into the alternator. You can just hang there. Then take your spacer, put it in between, slide the bolt through. So we're going to go ahead and just thread this in. We're not going to fully tighten it. Now we've got our lower bolt ready to go into the slotted bracket. So now all we need to do is put the new belt on. Then we'll tighten the upper bolt, the pivot bolt. Then we reconnect the battery. Always make sure that your battery terminal is tight and doesn't wiggle. And that's all there is to replacing your alternator. Make sure you pay attention to your wiring, check your belt, and replace as necessary. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.